Well, today we are going to read the news from NDTV. So the latest news is about Arati application, the rival of WhatsApp. As people say in the market, the Arati can Arati replace WhatsApp? As you can see, the title can Made in India Arati replace WhatsApp? Five features that set it apart. So we are going to do one thing. We are going to read about their feature, about WhatsApp features, about Arate features. So Arate launched as an alternative to WhatsApp. Arate offers several standout features that distinguish it from its competitors. So Arati is not the newly launched app. It was launched around 3 years ago. So now it is in talks with the government because of Zoho. The Arati is the product of Zoho that government has already planning to switch to Zoho from Microsoft for official work purpose. So for years, WhatsApp held an unshakable monopoly in the messaging space with over half a billion active users in India now. Arati, a made in India messaging app developed by Zoho Corp, is emerging as a tough competitor. Launched as an alternative to WhatsApp, Arati offers several standout features that distinguish it from its competitors. Arati is not a first app that is planning to that people are talking about, that it can replace the WhatsApp. Before it, there were multiple apps like Signal, like Telegram, but they couldn't do this. But now we talk about the features about Arati and WhatsApp. Five features that make Arati outshine. First feature is Pocket. There are times you want to save you want to save important information but aren't sure where to store it. On WhatsApp doesn't have this feature, but Arate has. Many users create a personal group just to save messages or notes. Arate has eliminated this hassle by launching a pocket feature, acting as the user's personal cloud storage. You can save messages, revisit them later, share media from external apps, even add notes for personal reference. The best part is that this storage can access seamlessly across devices. Second feature is no forced AI. So actually, the Arate doesn't forcing users to implement the AI, but WhatsApp parent company Meta is forcing to integrate. WhatsApp had recently introduced Meta AI integration, which many users found distracting and unneeded. There is no way to turn it off, but as of now, Arate has not imposed this AI feature on users, keeping the experience seamless, smooth. So this is also the reason people can switch to Arate. Meetings. This feature WhatsApp doesn't have. Meetings. WhatsApp is often seen as an informal tool for meta related chats, but most people still switch to Google Meet or Zoom for proper meeting or official meetings. Arate has launched a feature called Meetings, which lets users create instant meetings, join ongoing ones, or schedule them directly from the app without the need for downloading an additional app. The option is easily accessible from the bottom dock. Number four, that is mentions. On WhatsApp, mentions is group chats can sometimes get lost in the flood of notifications. Arete solves this issue by launching a mentions tab similar to Slack. Every time you are mentioned in a conversation, you are mentioned in conversation, it gets neatly listed in one place, making it easy to track and respond without missing anything important. No ads. One of Areti's strongest selling point is its ad-free experience. The app assures users that their data will not be used for commercial purposes. Unlike WhatsApp's parent company, Meta, which shares user data for targeted advertising, or advertising companies. Arete also stores all user data in Indian data centers. Voice and video calls on Arete are end-to-end encrypted. Plain text messages are not yet fully encrypted, unlike WhatsApp's complete encryption. So, as in my view, the Arete also work on Arete also has to work on this feature, that is messages that it should be fully end-to-end encrypted. Then it can compete with WhatsApp. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel for such kind of videos, and share with your friends if you think that this video is knowledgeable for them as well, that this information is good for them as well. Thank you for watching.